And I would like to announce the award for the emerging impact trainer. So can we all join me in giving a loud round of applause to Mr. Shobit Singhal? And before I call him over.
So Parul, want to share a few things about this young man here.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
So when I met him for the first time, I found him someone like a bundle of energy, wanting to do a hell of a lot of things, trying to make an impact in various ways. And as we were still in the process of discussing, the pandemic hit. That did not keep him quiet, and he moved on to create one of the best, if I were to say, effective communities of book readers. And he got into book reading in a very big way and created a lot of noise around it. He got people to join in the book reading workshops, and today has created a space for himself, which is enviable. So that is one of the reasons why I think he is one of the most competent and deserving individual when it comes to this emerging impact trainer. So Shobit Singhal from Bangalore.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Congratulations, Shobit. If you can come on camera.
Thank you so much.
Before we can call Mr. Shobit, I would just want to introduce him briefly to all the other participants. So Mr. Shobit Singhal is the founder and CEO of the Transformers Hub, a community of like-minded people to transform their raw knowledge into unique money-making products. He's also the founder of Book Readers Club, which has more than 80 active members. As Mr. Sharma has mentioned, he's an avid reader and has read over 100 books in last 2 years. He's a double graduate from Christ University, Bangalore. He's also an educational consultant with 4 years of professional experience and has conducted 1,500 career counseling sessions for students and parents. He was invited as the keynote speaker at LinkedIn Local Bangalore to ignite young entrepreneurs' idea and vision. In his individual capacity, he has been associated with various organizations and institutions, to name few: Scooping, Pixelates, Prerna Foundation, Women India Chamber of Commerce and Industry, CMA, CGM, and Parul University, Gujarat, Jain University, Bangalore, by and large corporate service, KLE College of Law, and many more. He has trained people from various backgrounds such as software engineers, lawyers, corporate professionals, IT professionals, students, authors, teachers, trainers, and coaches. He's also an associate trainer with Dale Carnegie, India. And recently, he was invited to the Circle Leader for the month of January 2021 themed Intergenerational Learning for TED Circles hosted by Prerna Foundation. So now, moving on to say a few words. He's among us.
So Shobit, you can give us a nice short acceptance speech.
Thank you so much. Firstly, before I say anything, I would like to genuinely thank Mr. Dilip Sharma for believing in me. In fact, last year we met at one of the events, and I was shocked to see the kind of professionalism, the kind of genuinity he had, and interacting with you. And coming from an army background, from a defense background, sees how professional he is. So Dilip sir, thank you so much firstly for this. And Hariharan sir, I would like to say that I have been seeing your posts since last 1 year now. In fact, the kind of consistency that I see in your work, I have never seen in any trainer that I've come across. The kind of work that you're doing and the energy that you bring in any group that I'm part of. Thank you so much for being part of our journey. For Book Readers Club, I just in 2018 I started reading, and I wanted to change my life. The first book I read in changing format was Rich Dad Poor Dad. And trust me, today I'm so financially independent in my life just because of that one book that impacted me. And then I thought that books have changed my life. In fact, if you look at my background, all my life is all about books. So, I thought that, book has changed my life. Why not share this experience, this journey with other people? So in March 2020, I founded the Book Readers Club. And the only agenda, it started as as a WhatsApp group. And then it grew and grew. And today I have almost 100 paid members in Book Readers Club,
Wow.
including Rekha ma'am. And there are a lot of other people who are part of this community as well. So it's just that I wanted to promote book reading because books have changed my life. Book is not just 300 pages of a document. Book is the life journey of an author who has lived 10, 20, 30, 40 years sometimes, and they collaborate all that experience into one book. And that if you read that one book, we are not just reading 300 pages, we are reading the entire life journey of an author. If you just read Bhagavad Gita, your life will completely change. It's like the Krishna Bhagavan is talking to all of us, and it's talking to me when we read these kind of books. So please read books on a daily basis. My suggestion: your life will change the way it has mine. And any big trainer in this world, any big trainer, whether it's Tony Robbins or take anyone, every one of them capitalized the most from their book. And if you look, books are the life-changing part of your life. So please read books, and thank you so much for this honor. I will not take more
Yes,
time. Thank you
Atulji,
so much.
we will have Shobit's number put in the group. I think he's there in the group, so you can connect with him. He wants to be a part of your book club. Yeah.
Most welcome, sir. Most welcome.
Very, very inspiring, Shobit. Thank you so much. We're so delighted. You are a recipient of the Emerging Impact Trainer Award. The very first time we have instituted this at HSSC. Thank you so much, Shobit, for being with us.